Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to look at partial fractions. Partial fractions. All right, partial fractions. Now let's look at an example of a partial fraction. Let's say we have 8x minus 28 over x squared minus 6x plus 8. How do we resolve this into partial fraction? The first thing we look at is we look at the order of the numerator and the denominator. Now, the order of the denominator must be more than the order of the numerator. So now this is the condition has been fulfilled here. Now, the second thing is we must check whether the denominator can be factorized. We check whether the denominator can be factorized. All right. Now, this denominator, can it be factorized? This is 8x squared. Yes, it can be factorized. So it can be expressed as 8x minus 28 all over. This is x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So we have 8x minus 28 over x into x minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 4. So finally we'll have 8x minus 28 over x minus 2 and x minus 4. So this can be factorized. Now that we have this, now that we'll factorize the denominator, so 8x minus 28 over x minus 2 x minus 4 equals to a, it will be in form of a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 4. All right. A over x minus 2 and b over this. Why? Because the denominator can be factorized. All right, let's proceed. Now, how do we get the values of a and b? Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll put the denominator of a to be 0. What do I mean? X minus 2 equals to 0. So x. So if you take minus 2 to the other side, we have 2. So you substitute the value of x inside this. So we have 8x minus 28 equals to a into x minus 4, then plus b into x minus 2. All right. So because now you see something that, okay, the denominator are now appearing on both sides because they are the same. So they will cancel out each other. So we are left with only the numerators. Now, mind you, when we find the LCM of these two, it will give us this. So to cancel out. So by the time we multiply, we'll have this. X minus 4 will go here. X plus minus 2, x minus 2 will go here. So we have this. So we'll now substitute the value of x inside. So we have 8 into 2 minus 28 equals to a, 2 minus 4 plus b, 2 minus 2. So we have 8 times 2, which is 16 minus 28 equals to 2 minus 4. That's minus 2. We have minus 2 here. This one will go to 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 times b is 0. So this is 16 minus 8 is minus 12. Minus 12 equals to minus 2a. So minus will knock out each other. So a equals to 12 over 2. So the value of a is equal to 6. The value of a is equal to 6. All right. So we know the value of a. We know the value of a. Now, let's find the value of 4. The value of 4. The value of 4. All right. So how do we find the value of 4? To find the value of find the value of b, we say x minus 4, the denominator of b, x minus 4, we set it to be 0. So x equals to 4. All right, so do the same thing again. 8 into 4, we'll write this equation again. 8 into 4 minus 28 equals to a to 4 minus 4 plus b into x 4 minus 2. So we have, this is 32 minus 28 equals to 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 times a is 0. So 4 will go away. This will go away. Then b 2, because 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 times is 2b. So 32 minus 28 is 4, which equals to 2b. So b equals to 4 over 2, which is equals to 2. So finally, 8x minus 28 over x minus 2 into partial fraction gives, now it's what we said is a over x minus 2. So what was the value of a? 6. So we have 6 over x minus 2 plus the value of b is 2. Then b over x minus 4. So we have 2 over x minus 4. So now let's check. If we try and find the LCM of this guy and solve it again and add this fraction, we must get this left side. You understand? So let's check if we are correct. So let's try and find this. Let's check. It's also a check. So this is x. The LCM is x minus 2, x minus 4. All right, so let's go. So this divided by x minus 2, we are left with x minus 4. So x minus 4 times 6, x minus 4 plus. So this divided by x minus 4, we are left with x minus 2, x minus 2 times 2. All right, so this will give equals to, this is 6x minus 24 plus 2x minus 4 over x minus 2 over x minus 4, right? So this will further give rise to, so let's call it like times 6x plus 2x, which is 8x minus 24 minus 4 minus 28 over x minus 2 x minus 4. So this is correct. So this is our final answer. All right, this one's is just to check. All right, so that's our final answer. So thank you so much. We'll solve more questions like this in the next video. Please make sure you watch. Thank you.